folks, JD here, and firstly thank you to everyone that came onto the live stream on Saturday just gone. It was a brilliant live stream, I really enjoyed it, and obviously all of you did as well, because all of you were getting involved and I can see the chat scrolling up. Thank you once again, everyone. If I did say hi to a lot of you at the start, and then I did go on and keep on saying hi to everyone en masse. Wasn't ignoring you at all. I just wanted to get the conversation flowing between myself and Captain Cook. So this Saturday we've got a similar one coming up with MD95 TSI. Chris, there's a reason I've chosen these two people first, because they had me on the drone network a few weeks back, and therefore I want to say thank you before I go into having anybody else on. So therefore this is why I've chosen Captain Cook and Chris first. So I have been emailing lots of other people as well to get lots of other people to come on and see whether if this is something that they're interested in. So look out for that in the coming weeks as well. This is going to be carrying on for a while until we break. Then probably have a break in the middle for a couple of weeks, and then get back into it then with season 2 and see exactly where that goes. But it's something that I've been doing for a while on my other channel, and it's something that I really enjoy doing. I really enjoy sitting down talking to people and see exactly how this conversation flows and get other people's perspectives on this particular hobby. Right, so this week we've got loads of stuff coming up as well. I've also been making little changes onto the channel for the next coming weeks. Like we're going to be bringing, as you can see, there's a camera review coming up. We're going to be going full 4K. We're going to be adding lots of other things as promised right at the very start, and there's lots of things coming. So this week is a straight week of just unboxing, review, unboxing, and then straight into the live stream. It gives me as well a bit more of a chance to get more drones in. So this week these are the kind of things which are left over, the drones which are left over and cars which are left over from the past 3 or 4 months of when I've been getting stuff in. Now I've managed to get a lot more stuff in. A lot more stuff is coming up. I'm going to be putting it all in the channel discussion as well. I've also been working on making sure the website is updated and looking for a new place to host the website, and also getting a couple of moderators in as well, a couple of administrators just to look after things for us. So things are driving ahead extremely quickly. So yeah, I don't know what else to say other than thank you. As usual, you all know I'm appreciative. Even without me saying thank you, you guys should all know by now that I really, you know, every single time that you comment, every single time you like, that you watch, whatever, you know, you really do make me a 100% a much happier guy. And also, I'm extremely appreciative of your time as well. So there we go. So yeah, keep in touch. I'll be in touch with lots of you anyway in the coming weeks when you comment and things like that, in the coming days rather. So until then, my friends, I hope you all have a great week. I hope you all have a great rest of the day as well, and I will see you very shortly. Thank you folks, take care, happy flying.